Justin May with the Dixie Law Group. Today we're going to talk about how to prove fault in your car accident case. The only way to prove fault in your car accident case is with evidence. The first thing is, if you're in a car wreck, to prove fault is a police report. Now, a police report in itself is actually a hearsay document that can't be admitted into evidence in court. However, what it can do is tell the insurance company, the jury, whoever may hear it, the police officer can refresh his recollection and say, hey, this is what happened on that day. So the police report and calling the police is your first piece of evidence to proving fault in your wreck. What if the police didn't come? What if they didn't show up or showed up late, didn't take a statement, didn't create a report? What would you then need? Pictures, videos, statements. So when the wreck happens, you would need pictures of the car. So if you got hit from behind, you get out, take a picture of their car, how the car's positioned. Take a picture of the scene. Take a picture of the road, take a picture of the traffic lights. If it's a red light, green light situation, maybe take a video of the intersection. Another way is to get a statement. So if you're able to, and you're not hurt too bad, or someone's with you, or someone shows up, and the other guy or other person is there that hit you, you could ask them, hey, can you just make a statement? Just record it into my phone. Most of the time people won't do that, but they might. And a recorded statement is a lot better than you saying, well, he talked to me and he said ABC, he said this, he said that. A more advanced way to prove fault in your car wreck case is to download the digital box that's in the car. All vehicles that are produced now and in the last about 15 years, 20 years, has a recorder device. It says speed, it says when the airbags are deployed, it says which way the steering wheels were pointed. It has everything in there. The way the impact happened, the way the bumpers are bent, the way everything caved in. You usually have to hire an accident reconstructionist, which we have done in many, many cases to help prove fault. An example of this would be, we had a client who was at a green light, red light situation. They came up, the light was red, it turned green, they went forward, and a car blew through and hit them, knocked both of them out. They're unconscious. They get loaded up and taken to the hospital. No one takes their statement. Well, the defendant driver, he said, I had the green light. They had the red light. We trusted these people, we knew them, they talked to us about it. We found a witness that said, I think that guy has it wrong. I think your all's folks had the green light. So we ended up getting an accident reconstruction to download both vehicles. Turns out our client was stopped the entire time and accelerating at 6 miles an hour whenever they got hit. Who blows through a red light at 6 miles an hour? The insurance company at that point said, you win, we can't argue with this evidence, and offered the policy limits for the person that hit our clients. The further in time from the wreck, the less evidence you're gonna have. That's why it's important that if you're in a wreck, to call a lawyer or someone that can get all the evidence together as quickly as possible. The longer you wait, the more likely the evidence is to disappear. Call someone that knows what they're doing so we can collect that evidence, so we can prove liability, and you don't have to worry about it.